Where are we at, Terry?
Schuster Lake.
Schuster.
After brook trout.
Or catching brook trout. All those that you caught were brook trout?
Yep.
Oh, we got one. You get away?
Nope, he's still on there. Just a wee gaffer.
Yeah, he's a little guy. Okay, drag it. Yeah, it's October 16th. You got another?
Another one.
Fishing's pretty good here today. At least on
this
the
guy's a little bit bigger.
At least on the fly, it's pretty good.
Yeah. I got a housefly fly on here.
A house? Really? Is that what it's supposed to be?
Yep.
Well, there's certainly lots of those this year.
Come on, buddy. Here we go. Oh, and there he goes.
Oh, he was quite a bit bigger.
Let's see if we can do it again.
Two minutes on the video, 2 fish. That's 2 casts. Pretty good.
Oh, looks like the third's gonna be unlucky.
Oh well. Better luck next time.